Got another real easy one that is also a favorite. We got our boneless, skinless thighs here, some blue cheese, some buffalo sauce, some produce, and some buns. You can guess we're doing buffalo chicken sandwiches. Think you could put bacon on a buffalo chicken sandwich? It's America, of course you can. We're going to take our boneless, skinless chicken thighs and we'll just lightly coat each side with salt and pepper. Cast iron good and hot. We've got 2 tablespoons of oil. You could use regular olive oil. In this case, it's 50-50 mix olive oil and white truffle oil. Smells truffly. Once we put this thing all together, it's going to be irresistible. Bring our tiny tongs. Get these flip. Dip our thighs in our buffalo sauce. And they're fully cooked. Sauce is good and hot. And just get each one nicely coated. Alright, so we're just going to take our burger buns. We're going to rub them in that bacon grease where we fried our bacon. And you just toast them in your cast iron. Monster cheese wolf. Yeah. There you go. Good boy. And we got our buffalo chicken thighs right here. Our bacon, because America. Munster cheese. Tomato, lettuce, pickle, avocado. Our buns. And some blue cheese dressing. Coat the bacon grease bun with a nice little layer of blue cheese. Yeah, looks good. Get our tiny tongs here. Take our chicken thigh. Take our Munster cheese. Which you could use any cheese. This is just what I had. Second chicken thigh. Tomato. Lettuce. Dill pickle slices. A little bit of avocado. And who could forget? Bacon. Let's see what this is all about. You're not going to believe this. It's good. Who doesn't like the buffalo chicken sandwich? I was a little worried about the bacon, but it didn't overpower considering it's not breaded. So I think it was a nice addition. Well, if you like this video, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thanks a lot.